Welcome, health and fitness enthusiasts, to an exhilarating journey towards a healthier and happier life. Join me on my healthy food quest, where we will explore the wonders of nourishing our bodies and minds with wholesome, delicious, and nutritious food. If this is your first time here, then my name is Jared, and for those of you returning, welcome back. This quest is about discovering the joy of healthy eating and the impact it can have on our overall well-being. But wait, that's not all. The quest doesn't stop with just food. It extends to the realm of fitness as well. As we savor the flavors of nutritious meals, we also dive into the importance of incorporating fitness into our daily lives. From invigorating workouts to joyful exercises, we'll unlock the power of movement and its profound effects on our physical and mental health. I love to run, work out, meditate, study jujitsu, hiking, just to name a few. So get ready to embark on a transformative adventure, one that will redefine your relationship with food, fitness, and ultimately yourself. Together, we'll strive to become the best versions of ourselves as we embrace the synergy between health food choices and an active lifestyle. Are you ready to join me on this life-changing quest? Let's dive in and discover the abundant rewards that await us on this empowering journey towards well-being.